when you're going at an... Oh shoot, are you all right? Let's say you just bought an electric skateboard. Well, I want to give some tips and tricks on how to ride it. And Alex, who you've seen before if you've watched the vlog, he just bought one. So let's go there to him and talk about them. Oh, I'm recording. It's okay.
Okay. Yeah, I like it without the inboard letters.
I do too. Okay, so like I said, Alex just picked up an inboard. I think I convinced him.
Pretty much.
Inboard's the way to go. But I want to... No, wait, what am I trying to say? Oh yeah, so you just picked up an electric skateboard and you've maybe never ridden one. That's kind of the case of Alex. He's ridden mine a few times, but this is his first board. So I want to go over some tips and tricks, maybe 3, maybe 5, on how to ride safely and what kind of to expect with inboard specifically, but also good practices for skateboards. Ready? Bye.
Ready.
Bye from Meow. Yeah, I'll go this way. Point number 1 I want to make about riding an electric skateboard is your balance. Because most of them have the motors in the back, you need to lean forward. Where's Alex? Point number 1, lean into where you're going. If you're braking, lean back. If you're going forward, lean forward. That will make your life a lot easier. Alex, how do you feel about the feedback of leaning forward and backwards when you're going and stopping? Good.
Tip number 2, recognize you're still a beginner. So you probably want to stay off the main streets, maybe to find a quiet place where you can practice, learn how to balance, and figure out the controls.
Tip number 3 is how to approach curbs on a skateboard when you're going at an... Oh shoot, are you all right? See that? That's why. That's why. Let's show you this. My rationale is that if you're going straight on, like this example, you have 2 trucks that hit twice. That's 50% of the absorption happens at the front truck and 50% at the back truck. If the bump is too big, you're going to stop. So my rationale is taking it at an angle and using each wheel to hit the curb at a different time. That way you have 25% per wheel rather than the 50% per truck. It looks a lot smoother, in my opinion, when you hit it at an angle. And that's tip 3.
Let's ride on their waves of gold. California sun. I'll wait for your call, 'cause I wouldn't go on my own.
Tip 4 revolves around safety. Always wear a helmet.
always get so nervous with my microphone.
It's good.
Okay. Last but not least, tip number 5. It may be the most important tip ever. Have fun.
Have fun.
Have fun.
Yes. Oh my God, there's water.
And I